88 species in genus Neea. October 27th. Neea, the tropical jewel, defines October 27th. Neea symbolizes beauty and adaptability. You shine brightly in any setting, bringing warmth and vibrancy. Like its colorful foliage, your allure is mesmerizing. My fascination with the Neea genus. As a botanist, I've always been drawn to the diversity and complexity of the plant kingdom. But there's one genus that has particularly captured my attention, Neea. This fascinating group of plants, belonging to the Nyctiginaceae family, boasts a remarkable array of species with unique characteristics and ecological roles. My journey into the world of Neea began during a field expedition in the Amazon rainforest. I was immediately struck by the sheer variety of forms these plants take, from towering trees to humble shrubs. Their leaves, often exhibiting vibrant colors and intricate venation patterns, further fueled my curiosity. Unveiling the diversity of Neea. The Neea genus is truly a treasure trove of botanical wonders. With over 80 recognized species, it showcases an impressive range of morphological and ecological adaptations. These plants are predominantly found in the neotropics, stretching from the Caribbean islands and southern Florida down to South America. They thrive in diverse habitats, including rainforests, dry forests, and even rocky slopes. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Delving into the botanical details. What truly sets Neea apart are the intricate details of its morphology. The leaves, often oppositely arranged, exhibit a fascinating array of shapes and sizes. Some species boast large, elliptical leaves, while others have smaller, lanceolate ones. The flowers, typically small and inconspicuous, are often arranged in cymose inflorescences. They come in a variety of colors, ranging from white and cream to pink and red. The fruits, often fleshy drupes, play a crucial role in seed dispersal, attracting birds and other animals. Exploring the ecological significance. Neea plays a vital role in the ecosystems it inhabits. As a key component of the understory in many forests, it provides shelter and food for a variety of animals. The flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, while the fruits serve as a food source for birds and mammals. Furthermore, some Neea species have been found to have medicinal properties, highlighting their potential value for human health. The future of Neea research. Despite its fascinating diversity and ecological importance, the Neea genus remains relatively understudied. Many questions about its taxonomy, evolution, and ethnobotanical uses are still unanswered. As a botanist, I am eager to contribute to our understanding of this remarkable group of plants. My current research focuses on the phylogenetic relationships within the genus, using molecular data to unravel its evolutionary history. I am also interested in exploring the potential uses of Neea species in traditional medicine and sustainable agriculture. The journey into the world of Neea is an ongoing one, full of exciting discoveries and challenges. I am confident that future research will shed more light on the secrets of this fascinating genus, revealing its true significance in the plant kingdom.